If you've been looking for how you can achieve the easiest way to make Nigerian fried rice, then this video is for you, and also I'll be teaching you the tips and tricks on how you can achieve this. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notification so you don't miss out on any of our videos. These are all the ingredients you need to make your Nigerian fried rice. Your yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper and green pea, your seasoning cube, liver, spring onions, carrots and onion itself, our cooking oil, washed rice, our green peas, sweet corn. For our spice, our ginger and garlic powder, curry and nut and rosemary, then our chicken stock, and these are all the ingredients you need. So in the pot we're just going to add our cooking oil, allow it to come up a bit, then add our sliced onion to this, and then we're just going to allow it to saute for just some few seconds. Then we're just going to add our rosemary, ginger and garlic powder and a little bit of our curry powder. Then we're just going to mix this together. The reason why we're doing this is just to generate flavor, like we're building flavor for our rice. Then we're going to add our washed rice to this, and we're going to fry our rice for just some few seconds. Mind you, while you are doing this, make sure your fire is on a low heat because you don't want to burn your rice while you're frying it. After some minutes, it has gotten to the consistency that I want, and this took between 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat. So we're just going to add our chicken stock and then a little bit of water to this. As you can see, the water is not much because you don't need a lot of water to cook your rice, especially fried rice. We're going to use a steaming method to do that. So we're just going to make sure all our rice is inside the pot, and we're also going to mix our rice properly. Then taste your food to adjust its seasoning. I did that and I realized I need to use just one seasoning cube, and the reason why I'm doing this is because of my chicken stock. So I'm going to stir again, and then I'm just going to cover my rice and allow it to get cooked on a low heat. While our rice is cooking, time for us to make our base. In the pot, we're just going to add our oil, a little bit of oil, then our liver. Your liver is very important when you're making your Nigerian fried rice. So I decided to add a little bit of pepper to this. Mind you, you can skip this part if you want. Just a spoon of pepper. Allow it to fry. Then I'm just going to add my vegetables. That's my green pea, green pepper, yellow pepper and red bell pepper. Then we're just going to mix this together. And also we're going to add our carrots and our seasoning cube, just one seasoning cube to help with the taste. So we're going to mix this. Then our sweet corn and our green pea. So I'm just going to keep stirring this because I don't want it to burn, and I'm just going to allow it sit for just between 1 to 2 minutes. Then time for us to check on our rice. At this stage, my rice is not fully cooked, but there's no water in it, and it's about 80% ready. And as you can see, the strands, and the reason why I have this is because I didn't cook my rice till it's soggy. Just little water and we can achieve this. So we're just going to add my base to this. and then we're just going to mix this until it is well and properly combined. So after mixing this took between 3 to 5 minutes. It has got in to what I want, so I'm just going to add my spring onion. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit on a low heat between 10 to 12 minutes. After that, we're just going to stir this together and serve. So this is the outcome. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Do not forget to recreate this recipe and tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.